Hoover Dam, located on the Arizona-Nevada border just about 30 miles southeast of Las Vegas, is truly a remarkable sight, attracting around 7 million visitors each year, making it the most visited dam in the world. This impressive structure is a concrete arch gravity dam. The dam's bow-shaped design generates a powerful updraft that defies gravity, pushing objects and even water upwards. This unique structure is the key to the phenomenon, standing 660 feet thick at its base. Its crest is wide enough that old US 93 once allowed traffic to travel directly over it. Additionally, the Colorado River flows nearly 726 feet below, which is comparable to the height of a 60-story building. The dam's base is as expansive as 2 football fields placed end to end, effectively managing the powerful waters behind this incredible concrete formation.